It doesn't matter what you sell, you need to have attention. It doesn't matter if you sell a phone, it doesn't matter if you sell this camera, you need to have attention. Now, as far as I know, it's impossible to sell something without attention. And I see a lot of people focusing in getting attention. And here's the thing, getting attention, it's easy. But one thing that people usually forget is that attention is not selling. Now, the important part of grabbing the attention is not just grabbing the attention, it's actually holding that attention. That is what will cause you, in this case, what we call sales. It doesn't matter how many people you send to a restaurant, if your food is crap, then people will not recommend you, people will not want to eat there anymore. So attention, it's not enough. It's you need to be able to know how to close the client. So grab that attention, that is the easy part, and then you need to close the client. That is why I see a lot of people here on YouTube and so on with videos with thousands of views, and yet they don't have a single sale. And the reason for that is because those videos are really good to massage your ego, but when it comes to what it counts, that is for the sale, yeah, that's the different part. So, tip for you today, quick one, and the thing is, don't just focus in creating videos like this just for creating, don't focus in creating content just for creating. Do something that will actually work in terms of you acquiring a new client. Now, that's it. That's the tip for today. Really simple and straightforward. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Carlos Arthur, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.